think we've been here before, and you're digging a hole while I'm sealing the floor with your girl on the phone and the kids in the yard.
Looks good. All right.
Not that bad.
Uh-oh. Game.
So that you're not alone anymore.
All right, good morning, YouTube. So when I say good morning, it's already almost 11. I've been doing fasted cardio every morning as part of my shred, but on my leg day, which you saw the title of this video, this is what I eat on a leg day during a diet. And on my leg days, I don't do the cardio in the morning, but I still do the fasted. So I haven't eaten yet till 11 a.m. I get to spike my carbs now through the rest of my day. The first thing I'm starting out with is these protein pancakes I just made that you saw. These, I mean, straight up, I'll be honest, I don't even count my macros on these days just because I can look at what food I eat all the time and I already know in my head how much is there. But in my programs and stuff, I still tell them because people like to know the number they're supposed to hit. But for me personally, I'm just trying to get as many clean, healthy carbs as I can in on my leg days, just like I would do during a lean bulk. So my diet today is gonna be similar to what my diet would look like on a lean bulk day. So I'm still hungry. We were just talking about lunch, and he's like, "What time should we eat?" I'm like, "Dude, we can eat right now." No, this won't be lunch. This is breakfast or brunch, whatever you want to call it, continued. So what I'm gonna do is I like these chocolate rice cakes. You can get these pretty much at any grocery store. Sometimes it's hard to find the chocolate ones. Macros on these are really good, and if you have a sweet tooth, that really helps. So I'm gonna throw a banana on here. Eat these two together. Probably gonna have to have two rice cakes because this whole banana's not gonna fit on one of these. That's a great excuse to have two.
It's not your fault, man.
That's called strategy. It's called strategy. We're gonna go. Other thing you can put on there is PB2 or like a sugar-free jam. On like the they make white cheddar ones, or just like I think it's just like one that's like salted, sea salt or something. You can put like sugar-free jam or something. That's really good. Yeah, this isn't gonna go according to plan. These are gonna fall off as soon as I take a bite. So.
Is this supposed to be a little sandwich?
Yeah. Ooh. No, that won't work as a sandwich.
No.
We're gonna go like this. Yep. That's pretty good. That's the first time I ever had that. I just came up with that right now. That's really good.
Hey man, quick question. What's this?
That will be in another video. We're gonna do a full review on it. That's the RS7 Performance Edition. So we'll do a full review video for you guys soon. Given them a tour of, I know they've been in here before, but I'll explain some of the stuff that's in here really quick. We're gonna do a video that goes on the webpage for our newest product, Lifted Thinking. Before that though, like I said, I'll explain some of the stuff that's in here. That is, you guys have seen that before if you've watched my channel. That was this is so cool, this is solid metal. One of our athlete search contestants sent that to us, and then he actually came out and visited and worked out with me, which was really cool. Thank you again, Ryan. These are sick. I have these lifted Prestos made, and then I have the flying knits on right now. Same thing, it's like lifted on the time.
Swagged out.
I couldn't help it, dude. I got these ones all dirty. I was wearing them. Let's see. This is actually signed by Shaquille O'Neal and his mom. So I was at a charity event where Shaq and Mayweather boxed each other with, like, Shaq had on these huge oversized gloves. It was for charity, it wasn't real or anything. But that was like 12 years ago. And that's where I got that. This is from my old office in the financial firm. It's a little bar cart. You guys are like, oh my god, it's a fitness channel. He's got alcohol in there. As you can see, there's dust collecting. There hasn't been much drinking going on in here, but what we used to do when we close a big deal, we would have a drink, just like as a celebratory thing. Let's see what else we got down here. Oh, this is when I bought my M4. They gave us as a thank you for buying the car. Just some stuff like that. I haven't really honestly spent much time putting stuff in here. I kind of just throw stuff in here from my old offices. Got my old golf bag in there. The reason why I haven't spent that much time setting this room up is I don't spend very much time in here.
Yeah.
Most of it's out there just doing stuff flying around all day or in the warehouse. But so what we'll do real quick is we're gonna do like a more professional video, sit on the tripod, which we'll show you guys next. But it's gonna be of a basically explanation and introduction to what our Lifted Thinking Brain Booster, it's a nootropic and what it does and all the ingredients and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that next. Hello everyone, I'm Brenton Simmons and I'm the CEO and founder of Lifted Lifestyle. Today I'm going to be introducing and explaining to you our newest product, Lifted Thinking. It is our natural brain booster nootropic. What is a nootropic? Basically what a nootropic is a combination of natural ingredients that are meant to help you with mental cognition, sharpness, focus, memory, just helping your mind operate at its highest capacity. Now, there are prescriptions out there that you can take that are meant to do the same thing. But if you're like me and you want to go a more natural route, our Lifted Thinking can be a really good alternative for you. We put natural ingredients in there, so if you're wondering, is it safe to take, you can look up all these, ask your doctor about them. But we put things like vitamin B12, Bacopa, Ginkgo biloba, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, DMAE, you know, and what we also did is all of these are clinically tested and formulated so that way it's the right combination to give you the best results, the right dosages. So again, you could go buy them all individually, but you're not necessarily gonna be getting the correct doses, and also it's gonna be much more expensive than if you were gonna buy them already combined in our product. So I'm loving the mental sharpness and focus that it's given me throughout my day. You know, I created this product just like Lifted Dreams to solve a problem in my life. You know, we all have stresses, but we have stresses from work, personal life, different things. And sometimes during the day when we're having to really focus or think at our jobs or whatever the situation is, we can kind of feel like we have that mental fog or the clarity is just not there because we're a little overwhelmed or there's too much stress in our life. A product like Lifted Thinking can really help you out. So I'm loving how much it's helping me, and I hope that you guys get just as good as results as I am from it. Stay lifted.
All right, where we at, man?
Where's Chipotle?
Your favorite place?
Double rice.
Double rice.
Nick's been good, man. Shout out Nick. He's been, when we go to Chipotle together, he's been getting vegetables, no rice, black beans, chicken.
Doesn't sound very good to me.
I will do black beans, chicken, half steak, please.
What you doing there?
Not making avocado toast. So I wanted some healthy fats, and the guac there has too much bad stuff in it. So brought my own avocado. Not to act like I'm balling like that I don't even know how much the guac is. You know what I'm saying?
It don't matter.
I just get it. You know what I'm saying? I don't even think about it. You see all those memes? It's like I just want to be balling so that way I can order guac without asking or thinking about how much it costs.
That's true, man.
Yeah, this was like $1, so it's probably saved some money too, and got rid of. I don't know what all they have in theirs, but I know it's not. A lot of people that are really strict, they won't even get their rice. They'll get their own rice because they say there's too much sodium.
With their own cheese, I've seen that before as well. Fat-free cheese.
Well, someone told me you can ask them. They have other rice that doesn't have as much sodium in it.
No way.
Yeah, they like bring it from the back. I'm just not that type of person though. I'm not gonna be like, hey, can you bring the rice from the back that we have stashed back there? You know what I mean? Like,
what else did you get in your bowl though?
So I got white rice, double white rice, and then I got black beans, half chicken, half steak. Then I got a little bit of cheese, and that's kind of like my only real cheat there. And then green salsa and lettuce. I love sour cream, but no sour cream today. Can't have that. And that's it, man. That's it.
So one is one greens,
Okay.
and then the second one is also just a 1 month supply of greens.
Okay. Deal where on all of our like individual and capsule products, if you use Paige's code, you got buy one get one half off. So there are quite a few. If you've watched previous videos, you've seen when I was filling orders on my own. Now with Kathleen, we have a much more efficient, quicker system because we still put handwritten thank yous in every single order. And so now she's telling me what goes in the order. She writes the thank you. I fill the order. It just goes way faster. Now with this system,
0.92.
it's actually 0.93. It's actually, I think it actually more than cut the time in half.
Agreed.
Because even when I would try different things like writing all the cards out first and then going and filling the orders in that order, I would try all kinds of different things, but it's just when you have that system where she's already finished it, she's doing her last part of, and I'm already grabbing the next order, it's just so much more efficient and quicker. This one's Ultimate Stack. So that includes 2 proteins and then 1 of each of our products. So this is actually, if you're wanting to try all our stuff, it's by far the best deal than buying them individually because you get a discount on each product and you get free shipping. So they got 2 chocolate, which is most popular. Our most popular pre-workout flavor is still watermelon, but tropical fruit punch. It's catching up. It's catching up. Yours is still, your favorite is still watermelon, huh?
Yep.
And then our nootropic that just came out this week. NO2. Once I feel like people, I wanted to see if you agree or disagree. I feel like people are almost a little skeptical about it until they try it, and then they realize how crazy the pump is once you take it. Because even myself, like, that wasn't necessarily a product that I felt in my mind was like a staple that I wanted to have in my line. And then once I used it and went to because the way my manufacturer works, I swear they're like NASA, it's so cool. But you go there and they have like a gym there in their facility where you can use your products and like do custom formulation, the different flavoring, try it, work out on it, and tweak it if you want. So that's how we do things. And when this NO2 hit my system, I was like, yup, we're doing that. So our fat burner, it is so insane. I mean, it makes sense, but over the last, since basically end of spring, our sales on natural fat burners have gone through the roof compared to the winter because people want to get in shape for summer, lose weight. And what people love about it, there's no stems in them. These are all natural fat burning ingredients. Our newest flavor is strawberry lemonade of BCAAs. It actually, when it first came out, it was destroying the passion orange guava, but enough people have had these that they're that good that it's kind of evened itself out. So, and then our best seller by far is our greens now. Like, people buy our greens by far more than anything else. And then our natural sleep aid that came out last week. So, as I've told you guys before, we've been expanding more into the health and wellness side of things. And so our natural sleep aid are greens, and our nootropic are our wellness stack. So you can buy all 3 of those together and get a discount as well. So I'm gonna grab one of each of these, fill this order. Taylor made me some lemon chicken with Brussels sprouts, and I get to have some Uncle Ben's basmati rice tonight because I get to have my carb spike. Let's see if I can get it to focus on those macros for you. There you go, there's 2 servings in here. First time, I guess, I mean, this is sort of vlogging now that I have her help. It's not as much of a vlog, but I have not vlogged in years, like 2 years probably. So, this is what I'm having for dinner. This would be you guys see my 3rd meal. The only thing I've eaten today that you have not seen was, I had a Power Crunch bar right before I worked out. And then a protein shake after. And then this will be my dinner. then I'm gonna go take a shower and post the YouTube video that you guys will see that's up right before this, which is a full leg day workout. And then I'm gonna have, I look forward to these nights because I get to have low calorie ice cream and also, no, wasted rice. A few other snacks that are healthy and helps me get more carbs in that are clean carbs. So I'm gonna eat this dinner and enjoy it, and I'll pick up with you guys after. Okay, so this is the healthy snack that I was telling you guys about. What I did is I took a Skinny Cow brownie ice cream and I mixed it with a chocolate mint Power Crunch bar that I kept in the freezer. So the combination of the two together is really damn good. This honestly, like, this is one of the little tips that or tricks that I can do during these diets that keep me sane. It makes it a lot easier for me. So try this one out. I'm sure you guys will like this one if you like chocolate. Another one you can do is you can get like a Halo Top ice cream. They have like peanut butter flavor and put like the peanut butter Power Crunch bar in there or something like that. That's really good. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. This showed you, some of the things I eat on a typical leg day during this cut. Little tricks like this that make it more bearable. If you go back through, roughly, off the top of my head, it was around 500 carbs if you add everything up. And that's about normal for my leg days right now on this cut. I'm spiking them like I've told you guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. The channel's growing. I really appreciate you guys' support, your interaction, and everything. It means a lot to me, and I'm excited about the future of this channel. I'll pick up with you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go eat this. Goodbye.